Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I've been busy. So today we'll be learning much about Lutris. Okay, not that much, but let's say some few things that can make your games run on Lutris. Some people are complaining that their games doesn't work on Lutris. Having some issues and other stuff. So I just remade my Steam Deck. I fresh installed the Steam OS. I've upgraded my internal SSD to 512 GB. So now everything is fresh. I don't have those old files and other things that I was running on that I was using earlier. So now everything is fresh. So without wasting much time, let's head over. Let's start everything. Just open. You see, Lutris is not complicated. It's so simple, and there are some few things that can make your games not run on Lutris, which people are not aware of. So now let's try something. Let's see something here. You see, I've created a folder here like MC games. That's where my games are. I just dropped in some few games. So I have Assassin's Creed Odyssey 2 here. That works on Lutris. I was just running it on Lutris here. It works. So let's just head over and install this game on Lutris. I mean Mafia Definitive Edition on Lutris, so that you guys will see what I'm talking about. There are some few things. You see, since Steam Deck runs Windows games, there are some possible virus. It won't be some huge virus, maybe some small things that can cause your games not to work. So these are something like this. You see that those files that comes with Mafia Definitive, and you see the size. See, 583 megabytes. Let me just do it like this. 583 megabytes. You see, that's the ground virus. It happens with most games on PC, and this is the actual game exe. And now see the size. It has just turned it to a kilobyte. So you have to fix all these things, else some games might work, some might not. If we just try and add this thing, it won't work, unless maybe you just go ahead and, but this one too, sometimes if you just try it will not work, and it will cause so many problems to your Steam Deck. Especially it's a duplicate. It will create some kind of duplicates to your Steam Deck. So now this is how I fix mine. Always make sure you fix it, and maybe if you are zipping it or you want to keep it, you just zip it, like you re-zip it with everything fixed. So you just erase the G in front. So let's erase the G, and you see, the moment that you erase the G, it will just prompt you that another file has the same name as the other file. So you see the size 521, and this is 583. Don't worry, just overwrite. Just click overwrite, and boom, here we are. Now it's the 583, and these things too, you see the size 0 bytes. You see, it's 0 bytes. It's just nothing. These are all things that can cause your game. You just delete it. Yes, you just delete it. If you want to see this deleting, it's just here. Maybe yours doesn't have the delete option, mine does. So I'm just showing you how to enable it. You go the context menu. Yes, here is it. Yours will be unchecked. Yours will be like this. Then you just check it. Yes, I've already done it, so there's no need. Then you apply. You just apply. Then you hit OK. So for that one, you're gonna get that delete option there. So now let me just check through the files here to see if I have another ground. It could be more. It could be few. Like anything can just cause that thing. So you just try and check around to see. So now, without wasting my time, let's head over to Lutris and install the game. But this is what I do. Sometimes I feel lazy to just type in the game name, so I just click it once, then I copy the game name. Copy. So now let's head over to Lutris and install the game. Now I'll be at first I wasn't running this game on SSD. I was running the game from memory card. So now let's launch Lutris and to make these videos short, and let's try and install the game through Lutris. This is the process. You just paste, maybe let me just start. Hit the plus button here, choose the last option, then you paste it in name, then you select wine. That's the last option here. At game options, you just browse for the executable. So the moment you hit a place to bring you here, then you click. So let me just search. You just search for the exe, the one that you use to land the game from your PC. So you see these things are, you see this is J, but this one I think is the right file, so there's no need to just change the J. You have to keep it. Just be smart, and like you have to just be careful too, so that you won't just mess up things. So now let's search through and see the mafia. Okay, now I have this is the one I was using. You can try and use the launcher.exe too, but I prefer it in this way. So let me just use the mafia definitive. Yes, so here is the problem. People are finding here so difficult, and that's causing many games not to run. So let me just show you something. You head back to Dolphin. If you don't have this folder, please create some. This folder, I intentionally did a .wine. Just create a folder, create the folder, you just erase, oh shit, you create .wine, just like this, wine. Yeah, you just create the folder. If you don't have it, I already have it. I just wanted you guys to know. So let me cancel .wine folder. And please, if you've not already done this, do it. Show hidden files. You just have to check it, because if you've not done it, this is how your directory will look like. So click show hidden file and everything will just pop up. So after creating that .wine, when you are installing the game, just copy the location, don't copy or cut the folder, copy the location, because we are going to paste the location at the Lutris place here, wine prefix, and I just pasted it here. Yes, that's how I do mine. Maybe some people will go ahead and create other folders, and maybe I don't know, but for me, this is how I always do mine. And you hit here, let's go. Okay, and for here too, I use wine G, because I don't know, maybe I don't know, I just use wine. If you are not having wine G, let me just show you how to get it. For here, you won't do anything, then you save it. So let me show you how to get that wine G. You just hit here and it will load. Make sure you are connected to the internet, make sure, else it won't load. Then you install the first wine G. Here is it, wine G. If maybe in the future things change, like you can just check it out. Maybe they will update this to the next version, I don't know, but this, as it stands now, this is the current one, and it works. It really works. So let me just close it out. So here we are. Here is the game. I've connected to the internet, that's why they like you see the picture is there. So now let's try and run the game. It's so simple. It's so simple, and this will work. People are finding it so difficult for this game, for Lutris to work, and they are saying Lutris doesn't work, but Lutris works. It works for me. Here is the game, and here we go. So simple. I've been running many games through Lutris. At first I was using a process, some complicated process, but now Lutris has been so easy to just run. So here we are. I'm running the game now. I can install a bunch of games through Lutris, and they will all work. They will all work. So here we are. So for the ground virus, it can be a possible, like, I mean, it can sometimes block your games from working or from launching. So this is the game works, everything works, everything. Let me just do this, else sometimes it should English. Okay, so guys, everything works. I don't know why people are finding it difficult to. The reason why I've just on this, like, when the music comes out, they give, like, there will be a copyright issue for me. So this is how it is. So let's just back off. Lutris works. Assassin's Creed Odyssey, here I was just running the game. It works. Everything works. So the most important thing that you have to do here when you read the wine prefix is to just create this folder. See this .wine, where is it? Yeah, .wine folder. You see that it has created that Windows environment here. So you create the .wine folder, and that's the most possible thing that you have to do. I mean, best thing. So yeah, so now I'll be installing more games here, and if anything comes up, I'll let you know. So that's how to make Lutris work. It's so simple. I have heroic too, but heroic, I don't know, I don't use it that much, and I have specific games that I run through heroic, that The Last of Us, and some few games too. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.